My loyal viewers, supporters, and the one them where watch and not say nothing. No worries, still I see you. Alright, love on the same way. Yeah, so I'm up. The kitchen I get started. Yeah man. And we have some nice things that go on in there today. And for all of the people them where
love them belly.
Yeah man. The show I go start. Alright? Alright my people, as you can see, cow skin clean up, cut up and wash and ready for the pressuring. Alright, so stay tuned for the next part. I've added 6 cups of water along with some seasonings. Yeah, close the pot. Alright, I'm gonna pre-select 30 minutes and select start. Oh, and always ensure that your vent is on sealing prior to selecting your timer. It's for safety reasons. So once it has finished pressuring, you can go ahead and select venting. Alright, be careful. Watch your fingers, it is letting out a lot of steam. Alright, it won't open until that safety knob there has dropped. Right, alright, go ahead, open your pot, check the contents of it. It's still hot, so be careful. Alright, yeah, the meat is nice and soft. All it needed was 30 minutes to pressure it, and it's nice and soft. I have separated the cow skin from the broth, which I'll be transferring the cow skin in a pot on the fire. Alright, so I'll be using some amount of the broth to make gravy, or in other words sauce. Alright, so I'll be adding roughly about 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 to 2.5 tablespoons of vegetable oil, which I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and I'm gonna allow that to burn before adding the cow skin and the broth. Alright, so I've transferred the cow skin in a pot on the fire. I'm gonna add my chopped seasonings. Alright, I've added my chopped seasonings, so I'm gonna stir them into the mix, combine everything all together. Then I'm going to add my beans. I'm using thin broad beans, so you know they're already cooked, so all you need to do is just warm them. Just mix it into the combination, and let it sit for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. Alright. Thanks again for tuning into Dean's Kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man. Alright, like, share, leave your comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.